Curious about candle sublimation and need supplies? Let's go shopping. Let's start with our candle vessel. You may already have your candle vessels, but if you don't, let me show you what I use. Any of the light color vessels from Makesy sublimate beautifully. Cream, white, sage, light blue. You can buy these in the 12-ounce or 8-ounce size. I shop Makesy when everything is 20% off and I get free shipping. I have used vessels from Amazon as well, white and light pink. The only candle vessels I have found that don't work for sublimation are ceramic vessels, clear vessels, or glossy colored vessels. Experiment and have fun. Next is our sublimation printer. I use the Brother SP1. Any sublimation printer will do, so if you have a different brand, use that. Next is our sublimation oven. I use the PYD oven. I like it because it automatically shuts off. Some use an air fryer or convention oven. Just make sure you use it for sublimation only. Our printer will need sublimation paper. I use the A1 brand, but any brand will do. Sublimation tape is next on our list. This is heat-resistant tape. You will use this to tape your design to your candle vessel. Shrink wrap for tumblers is needed to shrink wrap before we put our vessel in the oven. We also need a heat gun to shrink the wrap around the vessel. If you don't have a heat gun, buy the cheapest one. It doesn't matter what brand. Butcher paper is needed to put at the bottom of the oven grate so the shrink wrap doesn't ruin your oven. I like to buy the pre-cut ones, but any will do. Just one more thing. This handy tape dispenser is the best. It automatically cuts your tape for you. I use 3 rolls on it at once. 2 pre-cut and 1 I cut myself for longer strips of tape. Are you ready? If you have all your materials, you are ready to sublimate your first candle. If you like our content, please subscribe for videos. Your support helps us continue to make content that is valuable to the candle community. Thanks for watching.